Hey guys, just a quick little video to announce the winner for the On Guard Concentrated Cleaner and to show you a little bit about the dining room. Okay, so first let's kind of do the dining room and then I'll announce our winner. Y'all remember 2 months ago that I filled these shelves up? I want you to look at the spaces that are becoming empty here in 2 months. We're going to just kind of pan up and down. You see how much we've actually eaten in 2 months. I've not went down to the cellar but once, and I had to pick up a couple of things one time that I was out of here, but for the most part we have not went to the cellar in right at 2 months. But you see the spaces? Probably, I'm just guessing right now, but close to 75 jars gone. That's a lot of food, guys. And while we're at it, let's do a little pan. Kind of show you my Christmas / Thanksgiving still decorations. Hey, I sat in Santa's lap when I was 50 years old. Ha! My best friend and I had a ball that night. We went to see the Bellengraf Garden lights, and it was awesome. This little plant, my candy corn plant, is hanging in there, guys. It is beautiful. It's getting light from this window, and it's still producing. So let's hope I can keep this alive till spring. And our tree. The Lori girls did a great job with the tree. We've turned it on a couple of nights, and I have white and blue lights, and that's what you see on my tree. And Danny's already started adding my gifts. So they're under there, guys. You want to know what's in some of the boxes? We'll see later. I already know. Look at this. Let me see if I can get where you can see this. My cactus is blooming like crazy. Isn't that awesome? Some beautiful, beautiful. Against that red, it's hard to see. But I guess I could put it against some white. But isn't that gorgeous? The temperature in this room here is just right for it. And it caused it to bloom. Isn't that awesome? And then, of course, we have our pineapples back here. They're hanging in. They need a little water. And, of course, my Charlie Brown Christmas tree. I had to throw that in there, guys. It's been redone with camouflage duct tape. Danny did an awesome job bringing my little tree back to life. So, guys, that's just a little bit about the dining room. And there, my Hoosier cabinet. Danny did an awesome job building that. And we have a couple of Cherokee tan pumpkins still there. And we have some in the studio room. So we're still having a few of those to eat along. And now for the winner, Heaven Bound Homestead. When I read her comment and it popped up on my YouTube picker, random YouTube picker thing, I said, perfect. So Heaven Bound Homestead, please send me a message at deepsouthhomestead@gmail.com so I can send out your package this week. Thank you, guys, from Crazy Days.